Next up, Will. Another Elon Musk story. Tesla raises their price. Oh, that's just for their headline. Musk be joking. We are the sun.com. Musk be joking. You must be joking. How many times do I have to say it, Mo? Give me something here. Help me out. No, okay. Help me out here, man. I'm getting killed. I'm getting killed over here. I'm getting destroyed over here. I'm flailing on the ground. I'm a fish out of water. Tesla raises prices of vehicles up to 5K. 5K maximum, I guess, of all their price. They keep raising these things up. Inflation. Right. Talk inflation. Rising raw material costs. So what they're also talking about, continued global supply chain issues have resulted in Tesla raising prices for all of its U.S. models. They revealed its cars will be receiving a 5% price hike, which I guess at the high end will give you that 5K. The Model X long range goes from $114,990 to $129,990. That's even more. That's a $6,000 increase. Yeah. The Model X Plaid's version has not yet been affected. That's your value model right now. No. No. Long-range Model S goes from $99,990 to $104,990, increase of 5 Gs. And the Plaid in the Model S remains the same, but it's also very expensive to begin with. Everything goes up, even Willie Doo's beloved Model 3.
No, because he got standard range, right? So yours doesn't get moved at all.
You don't get a long range?
No.
Very well.
I don't think my price is going to change.
No, actually, that's kind of the point of the hike, is that it's anticipating that inflation is going to increase over the years, or over the time period, because their orders are so backlogged. Like if you place an order today, it's going to be a year until you receive it. So because now you're purchasing a year in advance, the inflation at that time is going to be, well, Elon's expecting it to go up and become more difficult. So this is almost like a preemptive move.
Yep.
Mr. Tesla over here.
Yeah.
Just
giving him that look. Looking him up and down.
No. No.